Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is going to be about how to make money using ChatGPT and YouTube. ChatGPT is a language model trained by OpenAI, based on the GPT 3.5 architecture. If you're not familiar with it, don't worry, we'll explain everything you need to know. Step 1. Create a YouTube channel. The first step to making money on YouTube is to create a channel. Choose a niche that you're passionate about and that you think will be interesting to your viewers. Make sure your channel has a professional-looking banner, logo, and introduction video to attract more subscribers. Step 2. Create valuable content. Once you've created your YouTube channel, the next step is to create valuable content. This means creating videos that are informative, entertaining, or both. Make sure you research your topic thoroughly and provide your viewers with accurate information. Step 3. Optimize your videos for SEO. Optimizing your videos for search engines is important to help your channel grow. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to help your videos rank higher in search results. Make sure your videos have an engaging thumbnail that will encourage viewers to click. Step 4. Grow your audience. To make money on YouTube, you need to have a substantial audience. Use social media to promote your videos and engage with your viewers. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create content that your viewers will love and share with their friends. Step 5. Monetize your channel. Once you've built up your audience, you can start to monetize your channel. There are several ways to make money on YouTube, including advertising revenue. YouTube pays you a percentage of the ad revenue generated by your videos. Sponsorships. You can work with brands to promote their products in your videos. Merchandise. You can sell merchandise, such as t-shirts or mugs, to your viewers. Donations. You can ask your viewers to donate money to support your channel. Step 6. Use chat to enhance your videos. One way to make your videos stand out is to use ChatGPT to enhance your content. ChatGPT can help you with research, generate ideas for your videos, and even create scripts for your videos. You can also use ChatGPT to create voiceovers for your videos or to translate your videos into different languages. Conclusion. So there you have it, our guide on how to make money using ChatGPT and YouTube. Remember, creating valuable content, optimizing your videos for SEO, and engaging with your audience are all key to building a successful YouTube channel. And using ChatGPT can help you take your videos to the next level. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.